You must be General Baylan Skoll. Of the Jedi Order.
I parted ways with the Jedi long ago.
You would not be the first. We are no Jedi.
I watched everything I knew burn.
The Jedi Temple? The Order? Do you miss it?
I miss the idea of it. There are so few Jedi left. But not the truth.
The truth.
The truth.
Sentimental.
Truth.
What if I told you that the Republic was now under the control of the Dark Lord of the Sith?
The weakness. There was no future there.
The Jedi can stop Sidious before it's too late.
Can't allow you to interfere.
Can you clearly see one here?
Too late? For what? The Republic to fall? It already has, and you just can't see it.
Something calls to me. Can't you hear it? Something stirs here. Can't you see it?
What happens when we find Thrawn?
For some, war. For others, a new beginning.
And for us?
Power. Such as you've never dreamed. Fall of the Jedi.
Execute Order 66.
Rise of the Empire.
Long live the Empire!
To the Empire. Long live the Empire.
Long live the Empire!
It repeats again, again. What I seek is the beginning. So I may finally bring this cycle to an end.
And that beginning is here.
It didn't need to come to this. But you know no other way.